So let's study about projectile motion. Now, projectile motion is a constant force acts on a particle at an angle which is not equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees. This angle should not be equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees. And its initial velocity should not be equal to 0. This angle should not be equal to 0 degrees or 180 degrees, and initial velocity not equal to 0 with the direction of its initial velocity. Now look at the direction. There is an arrow mark over here. So this is the direction of its initial velocity. It is actually thrown in this way. So when we have certain kind of motions, when something is thrown, it goes in horizontal direction, it goes in vertical direction, or it goes in projectile direction. So it actually forms a kind of parabola over here. So it's actually making a parabola over here. So the path followed by the particle is a parabola, and the motion of the particle is called projectile motion. So the motion in which it is followed, this is called as projectile motion. Projectile motion is a two-dimensional motion, that is, motion of the particle is constrained in a plane. So this motion of a particle is within the plane itself. Alright, now look over here on the x-axis, on the x-axis component, we have u cos theta. So the direction in which it is actually moving is u cos theta, and we have u sin theta on the y-axis. So wherever you see over here, say this is u cos theta because it is going in the horizontal direction, u cos theta over here. If in case it is going in this direction, then it is u sin theta. Okay, now we have an equation of a path of a projectile. The equation of a path of a projectile is actually given by x is equal to, I'll write it over here. I'll write it on the next page. So it is equal to x is equal to x naught plus uxt plus half axt square. Now what does this resemble? This resembles of a motion. I mean, it's like we have the distance formula when s is equal to ut plus half et square. It's almost similar to that, so you can remember it in that way. So x is equal to x naught plus uxt plus half axt square, where x naught is equal to 0. When we're taking if x naught is equal to 0 and u of x, we're taking it as u cos theta, as I've told you, I've shown you in the figure, u cos theta, and ax we are taking it as 0. Ax we are taking it as 0. So if in case we will be applying this over here, so it will become x is equal to, so this is 0, okay, and uxt, u we are taking it as u cos theta, so u cos theta, and t as it is, t remains as it is, but because we are taking ax as 0, so that becomes 0 again. So x is equal to u cos theta t. If in case at all we need to find the value of t, then this becomes x by t is equal to x by u cos theta. This happens only when it is the motion along horizontal direction. The motion is along horizontal direction. If the motion is in vertical direction, then we have another formula. I'll just show you that. If motion is in vertical direction, okay, if the motion is in vertical direction, then the vertical velocity of the object is decreasing from O to P due to gravity. That is, due to gravity it actually decreases, because when it goes up, okay, the vertical velocity actually decreases. It comes down due to gravity. I've also shown that in the figure as well. Okay, now we'll write this as, because in this direction it is oy, from here to here it is oy, and this is u sin theta. Okay, now what we would be taking is y is equal to y naught, just like what we have taken over there, x is equal to x naught. Here we will be taking y is equal to y naught plus half into, sorry, uyt plus half into ayt square. Now because y naught is equal to 0, this is 0. Okay, we'll take, but if y naught is equal to 0, and because it is actually decreasing due to gravity, so we'll take a as minus g. Okay, so we'll take a as minus g. So, and uy will take it as u sine theta. This one we'll take uy as u sine theta. So this will become y is equal to u sine theta minus half gt square, minus half gt square. So this becomes u sine theta minus half gt square, but y is equal to u sine theta, y is equal to u sine theta into x by u cos theta. Why? Because I'm taking the value of t. Okay, I'm taking the value of t, which we have studied before in the horizontal direction, minus half into g into t square. Again I'll write it as x by u cos theta whole square. Okay, x by u cos theta whole square. So I'll take another page to explain it further. So we have y is equal to u sine t plus half into minus g t square, that is equal to u sine theta into t minus half gt square. Now y is equal to u sine theta, because t, if you remember, t we have taken t as x by u cos theta, so I'll write it as x by u cos theta minus half into g as it is, and t again I'll write it as x by u cos theta whole square. So this will become, this is equal to x tan theta minus, how tan theta, this is sine by cos, so u sine theta by u cos theta is tan theta. Okay, so that's the reason I'm writing as it as x tan theta minus half g into x by u cos theta whole square. Okay, so that is how we get motion along vertical direction.